Welcome back, dear viewers. It's a pleasure to have you here. If you've stumbled upon this video and haven't watched the previous parts, it's highly recommended to go back and view those first. They lay the groundwork for everything we're about to dive into today. Today's focus will be on the intriguing world of network marketing and the various levels within it. Each level is an important stepping stone in your journey towards financial independence. So, without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening journey. The first level in this journey is known as the bronze level. To complete this level, you need to bring 3 people into the fold. The reward for this level is $30. It might seem modest, but remember, every great journey begins with a small step. Next, we move to the silver level. This level requires you to bring 9 people into your network. The payout for this level is $90.23. It's a significant increase from the previous level, demonstrating the potential of network marketing. The third level to conquer is the gold level. Here, you need to enlist 18 new people. The reward at this level is even more enticing, amounting to $180.45. Then comes the platinum level, the fourth in our series. This level requires you to bring in 36 people. The payout here jumps to $384.96. The stakes are getting higher, and so are the rewards. Finally, we reach the 5th level, the emerald level. This is a major milestone because you need to bring in 72 people. The payout here is a whopping $830.08. In summary, we've discussed 5 levels today: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and emerald. Each level requires you to bring in more people, and in return, you earn higher payouts. The potential earnings range from $30 at the bronze level to over $800 at the emerald level. Stay tuned for the next video where we will delve into levels 6 to 18. Remember, the journey of network marketing is about persistence and growth. The numbers might seem daunting, but with determination and the right strategy, you can conquer these levels. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to guiding you through the next stages of your network marketing journey.